Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. In this video, we will be troubleshooting an issue that many T-Mobile users face when the T-Mobile app isn't working properly. I'll guide you through a few simple steps to fix this problem. Sometimes the T-Mobile app might stop responding, crash, or not load as expected. Fortunately, there are a few easy fixes that you can try before seeking help from support. Step 1. Run the latest version of the application. Ensure that your application is up to date. First, make sure you are running the latest version of the application. To do this, go to the App Store and then search for the T-Mobile app and see if any update is available. If yes, then download it. Step 2 is to clear cache files. Sometimes cache data can cause performance issues. For this, you need to go to the settings application, then click on Apple Storage. Under here, you need to find the name of the application, that is T-Mobile, and then click on it and offload the application. The last step is to delete and reinstall the application. Reinstalling the application can fix persistent bugs. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, it is time to delete and reinstall the app. Simply long press the app icon on the home screen and then a short menu appears. On that, select the delete button. Then go to the App Store and search for the T-Mobile application and re-download. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.